What's good, y'all? This your boy Tonio, Everybody Fish. Today is Sunday. I'm at a local pond, pretty big, something new. My boy told me about it. Shout out to him. Um, so we just gonna get started, man. He's told me there's a lot of big bluegills, pretty nice bass, crappie, so y'all see. Tune in. First cast of the day. First cast of the day. Let's get it. Got one. Got one. Got one. Got one. Yes, sir. Big Mama Jamma. Hey, what is this? A turtle? Good God. Look at that, y'all. Good gracious. See how he bending my rod? Look how he bending my rod, yo. Dang. Woo-wee. Nice size. Pretty too. If I ever stuck my hand through there, snap it right off. Ha! Dang! Slipped out of my hand. What I got here? A bluegill. Throw him back. Catch me next time, whenever, and we'll catch some bass and some more bluegill and maybe some catfish. So, till next time, over and out. Holla. Peace.